So hi everyone, now we are going to start next chapter, that is motion. It is a lecture 3rd of chapter motion, class 9th. In the yesterday's lecture we have discussed about the scalar and the vector quantities. Now we discuss about distance and displacement. So what is distance? Distance is a total path length covered by the object in a given interval of time. Suppose if the object start its motion from point A, it goes to point B 2 meters, it travels, then B to C 2 meters, then C to D 3 meters, then D to E 4 meters, then 5 meters. So what is the distance? Total path length. We add them all. Okay, the magnitude of them all. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, it's being 16. So total 16 meter is the distance covered by that object. So it is total path length. So it is a scalar quantity because it has only the magnitude. Number है 16 meter उसने cover किया, तो 16 is the magnitude. Its SI unit is meter and it is always positive. ठीक है, SI unit क्या रहेगी distance की? मीटर है and it is always positive. Distance जो value होगी वो हमेशा positive होगी. It can't be zero or negative. ठीक है, and it has many values between initial and the final position. This is the initial one, this is the final one. So there are many values of the distance between two points. ठीक है, so it is distance. If we talk about displacement, so it is a shortest path between the initial and the final points. ठीक है, from the starting point to the end point, it is a shortest distance, or we can also define the difference between the initial and the final position is called displacement. ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ पे displacement की बात करें, so this is, अगर हम इसको इस तरीके से, so this is a displacement between the initial and the final position. So this is the displacement because it has both magnitude as well as direction. So it is a vector quantity. SI unit is same as that of distance, that is meter. It has unique value. जैसे distance में बहुत सारी values थी, many values between the initial and the final positions, but here it has only a unique value between initial and final. ठीक है, suppose if an object starts traveling from this point to this point, suppose 5 meter, ठीक है, then goes in that direction, it's being 3 meter. So the distance in this case is a total path length, that is 5 plus 3, that means 8 meter. But how we find the displacement? The shortest path between the initial and the final positions. We can use triangular law or the Pythagoras theorem, both, because it is a right angle triangle. ठीक है, by taking this theta. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equals to 5 square plus 3 square, and this square goes in under root. ठीक है, so AC is equals to root of 25 plus 9. So this is how we can find the magnitude of the displacement. या फिर this is a Pythagoras theorem, we can also find with the triangular law. ठीक है, triangular law is equals to one displacement, second displacement, use triangular law, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. They have theta 90 degree between them. ठीक है, so R is equals to root, the magnitude of A is 5 and B is 3 into 2 5 into 3 into cos 90 degree, and cos at 90 degree is equals to 0. Okay, so it is also the same. This component becomes 0, so it's 25 plus 9, same. Okay, that is root 34. So this is how we can find the displacement either by Pythagoras theorem if it is right triangle or by the triangular law. Okay, we can also find the direction by tangent beta. Tangent beta is equals to, in this case, sine upon cos. ठीक है. One more thing about displacement. It is a vector quantity, so we can find its direction as well as magnitude. Like in this case, like using triangular law or Pythagoras theorem, if it is a right angle triangle, and also the direction we can easily find by the tangent theta. Okay, and the displacement may be negative, positive, or 0. Okay, like in this case, the magnitude is positive, है ना? Negative in case if the force applied in the opposite direction, like if we can throw an object in vertically upward direction against gravity, so at that time the displacement of that object is negative. ठीक है, displacement negative होगी. Also another example of negative displacement is when we apply the brakes on a car, then work is done against friction. ठीक है, so at that time also there is negative displacement. So these are examples of negative displacement. 0 if we took a cyclic path. ठीक है, if an object is moving over a cyclic path, then in that case displacement is equals to 0. So displacement may be positive, negative, or 0, but distance is always positive, right? If we differentiate, this is also very important. When we differentiate between distance and displacement, so distance is a total path length covered by the object. Displacement, the shortest path between the 2 points. Distance is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is always positive, ठीक है, and displacement may be positive, negative, or 0. Distance has many values between the 2 points, but displacement has only the unique value. ठीक है, fifth point we can also add कि its value is greater than or equal to displacement. ठीक है, ये इक्वल भी हो सकता है डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू या फिर ग्रेटर हो सकती है, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट is always equal to or less than the distance. ठीक है, less than distance, right? How? For example, if an object travels from A to point B, suppose 10 meter. In this case, what is distance and displacement? From A to B. Distance and displacement value. Distance in this case is only one value, 10 meter. Displacement, initial to final, same, 10 meter. ठीक है, so in this case distance and displacement are equal. ठीक है, so when will, the question arises कि when will the distance and डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर इक्वल, दोनों की सेम वैल्यू कब होगी? ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट is traveling in the same direction. ठीक है, and in the straight line. ठीक है, so when the object travels in a same straight line without change in the direction, then the magnitude of distance and displacement is same, क्योंकि डायरेक्शन तो सेम रहेगी, वो सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन में जा रहा है, it couldn't change its direction, so at that time magnitude of distance and displacement is same. ठीक है, so इस केस में distance और displacement क्या होगा? Same होगा. What happen if this is a case ना, the object travel from A to B 10 meter. What happen if we consider the object goes firstly from A to B, then again return B to A. ठीक है, when it return back, when it returns back, what happen in that case? जब वो वापस आता है from A to B, then B to A again, then in this case what is distance and displacement? Distance and displacement value. So distance in this case, total path length, पहले A to B 10 meter, then B to A 10 meter, so 10 plus 10, that is 20 meter. But what about displacement? Displacement is the difference between the initial and the final position. But when the object returned to the same point, ठीक है, वापस आ गया, तो यही उसका इनिशियल पॉइंट है, यही उसका फाइनल पॉइंट है. So in this case the displacement is 0. So when will be the displacement 0? कब होगी? When the object reaches to or returns to the same initial point from where it starts, ठीक है. So at that time its displacement is 0. जहां से ऑब्जेक्ट ने चलना स्टार्ट किया है, वापस अगर वो घूम फिर के वहीं आ जाता है, so in that case its displacement is equals to 0. ठीक है, उसकी डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितनी हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी. बट डिस्टेंस कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा, डिस्टेंस हमेशा ऐड होता चला जाएगा. ठीक है, so this is how. Next, so what we have concluded from here, देखो in that case जब वो सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल कर रहा था, डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट की वैल्यू सेम थी. ठीक है, बट इन दैट केस द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्टेंस इज ग्रेटर देन डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो व्हाट वी हैव कंक्लूडेड कि या तो डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट इक्वल होंगे, या फिर डिस्टेंस हैज द ग्रेटर वैल्यू देन द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ठीक है, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, द न्यूमेरिकल रेशियो of displacement to the distance covered is always, what we have concluded कि displacement या तो equal होगी distance की या less than होगी its value. ठीक है, so what is which one is the correct option? Third one, equal to or less than 1, क्योंकि ऊपर displacement है, नीचे distance है, and displacement या तो equal होगा, equal के केस में 1 वैल्यू आ जाएगी, या फिर displacement has the less value than that of distance. So equal to or less than 1 is the correct answer. Next, find distance and displacement when a body is moving along a circular path with radius r. This is a circular path covered by the object with r radius. So what is the value of distance and displacement? Distance and displacement. Distance कैसे कवर कर रहा है? Through the circumference. So what is the circumference of the circle? It's 2 pi r. By taking the value of r and pi, we can find the distance. ठीक है? तो अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट सर्कुलर पाथ फॉलो कर रहा है तो उसका डिस्टेंस हाउ वी कैन फाइंड? थ्रू द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल विद 2 pi r. एंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट, इट स्टार्ट्स इट्स मोशन फ्रॉम ए और वापस घूम फिर के ए में वापस आ जाता है. व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द प्रीवियस स्लाइड कि व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट रिटर्न बैक टू इट्स इनिशियल पॉइंट या इनिशियल पोजीशन, देन इन दैट केस इट्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ठीक है, उसकी डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितनी हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी इन दैट केस, बट द डिस्टेंस इज 2 pi r. Next, in case of semicircle, what is the distance and displacement? Distance is, अगर पूरा सर्कल होता तो 2 pi r, here it is semicircle, तो 2 pi r upon 2. That means pi r, putting the value of pi and r is given 2 centimeter. ठीक है, so pi into r is 2 converted into meters, multiply by 10 raised to power minus 2. So this is how we can find the 6.28. ठीक है, into 10 raised to power minus 2 is a distance. Whereas displacement कितनी होगी? This is A, this is B. It starts from here to here. So initial is this, final is this. So it's being R plus R. It's being 2R. ठीक है? So 2 into 2 centimeter converted into meter. So 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. ठीक है? And in this case, 6.28 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. So distance and displacement. Distance is pi r and displacement is 2r. Next, if on a round trip you travel 6 kilometers and then arrive back home, round trip, that means circumference is given 6 kilometers. ठीक है, what is the distance? So what is the distance? If you complete 6 kilometers, that means 6 kilometer is the distance. ठीक है, and displacement we have done in the previous question. Displacement in case of circular या cyclic turn in which you return to the same point or same position from where you start, in that case displacement is 0. ठीक है, तो distance is 6 kilometer and displacement is 0. So these are some questions which are based on distance and displacement. So we have covered it, the distance and displacement topic over here, and the numericals which are based on this. What you have to remember, कि distance is a scalar quantity, it has just magnitude, but the displacement is a vector quantity. If you find the magnitude and the direction of that, what you use? The triangular law or parallelogram law and tangent beta to find its direction. And if it is right angle triangle, then Pythagoras theorem you can use to find the displacement. But to find the distance, you can total that, total path length. We have added all the values. So here we end the topic, today's topic, that is distance and displacement related to the chapter motion of class 9.